Everything that we do and or do not do, say or do not say in this life has an outcome. It's called repercussions or consequences. And so we have the right to do and say whatever we want to do and say. But just remember, after you do or say whatever you want to do or say, there's a consequence, there's a repercussion, there's an outcome to what you have said, what you have done, or what you didn't say or what you didn't do. See, this is why we have to be careful. We have to be careful of, you know, the things that we endorse in this life, the things that we partake in. Because when your life start prospering, it is because of the things that you have done or said to get it. And the same, when your life starts dwindling, it's because of the things that you have said and done. The choices that you make. Nobody didn't stop you from doing it or saying it or not doing it or not saying it. You had the free will to do what you wanted to do. I think in Deuteronomy, God says, I give you this day to choose life or death. Choose this day who you will serve. And just like that, some people choose not to serve God. God don't force nobody to do nothing. God does not force anybody to do nothing. Hey, you love me, you want to do what you want to do, or you want to serve me, fine, go ahead. Just like in this life, right? You have the free will. God gave us free will. God don't force nobody to love him and choose to do what he wants them to do. It's just the circumstances that we put ourselves in that leads us to trust and believe in God. It is us that put ourselves in some situation because there's rules and laws to this life that we must follow spiritually and physically. And some of us, we can't do no better than what was placed before us. So, and another thing too, people will try to manipulate and force people to get them to do what they want to do, infringing upon their free will and choices. But even in doing so, there's a consequence to doing that. You might get what you want at a certain amount of time. You might not get what you want. But there's a price to pay. And sometimes the price to pay is not nice. Sometimes when you infringe upon people's free will, you get the short end of the stick in the long run. When you infringe upon people's rights and decisions because you want to get what you want to get out of them, you might get it, but after a while, it's that same spell that you did to manipulate that person. It's going to turn back on you at some point in time. We can't force people to love us. We can't force people to do what we want them to do. You understand? We can't force people to say what we want them to say. We all have free will. We have choices. Just like how people have choices to do and say what they want to do and say and not do what they want to do and say and whatever. It goes the same way on both ends and on all ends. So when you stronghold somebody spiritually or physically to get what you want, you're infringing upon their free will, and there's a price to pay for that, because God don't push us or force us to do or say anything. So until next time, I'm Jody the Righteous Warrior. If you ain't righteous, get righteous. Make good choices. Ciao. Mwah.